Jiangxi Huifeng Intelligent Logistics Equipment Company Limited, located in Wanzai County Industrial Park, Yichuan City, Jiangxi Province. The area of the base plant, about 13,000 square meters, has comprehensive hardware facilities such as laser cutting machine, gantry milling machine, high-precision CNC machine tools, robot welding production line, etc., owned professional technology core team, and high-efficient production capabilities, and was accorded with ISO 9001 quality management system requirement. Our company has independent trademark brand, annual output value of about 60 million yuan, total investment about 45 million yuan, has completed the annual sales of about 40 million, can provide OEM and ODM, turnkey solution service to the customers. Main products include intelligent logistics equipment and ASRS series products, such as intelligent three-dimensional warehouse, light, high-speed mini load stacker and heavy stacker, shuttle, RGV, AGV, FMS flexible manufacturing line, conveyor line, etc. At the same time, we also undertake all logistics equipment related after-sales maintenance service. To provide customers with high price ratio of products and quality service is our consistent mission, and strive to build industry benchmarking brand is our chasing goal. We insist on the technology innovation as the leading, the lean innovation, win-win cooperation, spirit of enterprise, and cooperate with you to create a new era of intelligence.